by the beach, and you can see all the beach. But what else is on this beach, Zach?
There's a plane. There's a plane.
An airplane landed out on the beach over there.
Check it out, guys. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, me and my dad and the two dogs in the back are going on a ride with some other friends because, like you all know, I cut open my heel, so I can't really do anything on the water, and so this is about all I can do. But before we get on our ride, be sure to like and subscribe. So, Gigi, stay back there. That was flying over earlier. Yep, that was sick.
There's the camera. Little camera.
Oh, I love Cameron.
Straight.
What's that? I can't walk straight. How do you expect me to drive straight?
So we're out on a ride in the peninsula out here by the beach, and you can see all the beach. But what else is on this beach, Zach?
There's a plane. There's a plane.
An airplane landed out on the beach over there.
Go catch up with everybody else.
Yep.
Check it out, guys. On the beach of all places they land.
There you are. Oh, did you walk over and film the whole thing? Thought you did?
Yeah, because I thought you said it was on.
He was wake surfing earlier, and
he
crashed, and the surfboard come up and got the fin on the back got his foot, and so now no more water for him. So
yeah. It is what it is, though.
Did that just today?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little while ago when we saw you guys flying over.
Yeah.
And right before you landed, yeah.
Hey. Look at you, even have the right shirt on.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah, it's got glass panel, so all
Oh, you got a glass panel in this thing?
all
Oh, wow.
instrument stuff. So
Yeah, this isn't like the field hopper I was in.
no, this is. I mean,
This is really nice.
It's kind of got the creature comforts, and
Yes, it does.
it's light and has the power to do what you want.
Yeah, I've got a single engine license, but I haven't flown in 20 years. But yeah,
You'd be up and going in a week.
yeah. Well, never flown a stick or a tail dragger, so
Well, that's it's
those are different.
It is quite a bit different. But once you get the hang of it,
Yeah.
it does it pretty good. Give it a walk around, Jack. It's really cool.
Not every day do you get to see a plane on the beach.
No, you don't. It's pretty cool.
I think it would be fun to have a plane and land on a beach like this. But it's too much money.
You still driving?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive.
Okay, so let's get in, jeans. Right here, right here. Come on. Get in.
Go ahead.
Whoa! Okay. There you go.
Get back.
Doji. Get in the back. Thanks again, guys.
So cool. Dude, yeah, tell me about it. Hey Cameron, what'd you think of that airplane?
What do you think?
Is this cool?
Is that so cool?
Was the airplane super cool?
Yep. Pretty cool though. He can just land anywhere he wants.
That's way cool.
I know, like, oh, you should have seen the picture they showed us. Literally something like maybe 3-4 airplanes long, like of those airplanes long. Somebody landed on it
Really?
and took off of it.
Wow, that's that's cool.
Leave me alone.
Are you doing something that I need to buckle in for? We're only like putting down a trail.
You'll see.